Welcome to Cook Master Tips. Today, we're creating colorful and fun rainbow whipped cream. It's light, fluffy, and perfect for adding a pop of color to any dessert. Let's get started. Rainbow whipped cream. Vibrant swirls of rainbow whipped cream. Ingredients: 1 cup heavy whipping cream, chilled. 2 tablespoons powdered sugar. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Gel food coloring: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Directions: in a large mixing bowl, pour the chilled heavy whipping cream. Whip the cream on medium-high speed until it begins to thicken. Add the powdered sugar and vanilla extract, then continue whipping until soft peaks form. Divide the whipped cream into separate bowls and add a few drops of gel food coloring to each bowl, 1 color per bowl. Gently fold the colors together using a spatula to create a swirled rainbow effect. Be careful not to overmix to maintain the vibrant streaks. Serve immediately or refrigerate until ready to use. Prep time: 15 minutes. Total time: 15 minutes. Kcal: 55 kilocalories per tablespoon. Servings: 16 tablespoons. In the end, don't miss out on our latest recipes and cooking tips. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Cook Master Tips, for more delicious content.